To my channel. So today we are going to discuss stocks, especially these stocks: Reliance, HDFC and ICICI, and IB is slowly increasing. We'll start with Reliance. Not much of a news in the market. So October month breakout has happened and sustaining here. For November month, HDFC Bank has entered into the sideways zone and still in the retracement phase. ICICI is back with the October support. So yeah, we'll see whether October support is going to break or it's going to be the another zone. So you could clearly see. Now we'll check the open interest side by side. Okay, so we'll start with Reliance. We'll see the straddle also. Okay, so first off we'll check is Reliance. So this is Reliance price action for 31st, and you could see pretty sideways 33 and 19. So resistance is more in the market. When you check for open price, it's 90, so exactly ATM. And when you check the straddle for 90, so you could clearly see it has a small decay, so it's a profitable trade. Next we will take is HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank here. When you check the OTM, 14 and 7, so exactly half, and call writing and put buying has happened. So you could clearly see first half it was falling, so second half it went sideways. So when you check for open, it is 90. So I'll check 90, and then you could clearly see here how the decay was very smooth and it's profitable decay. So we'll move on to the next stock, that is ICICI. For first week HDFC, the price build-up is little lower when compared to the month of August and September. Maybe that's because of the split also. Okay, so here clearly ICICI is falling, which is clearly seen in the OIC 50 versus 10, where the call writing is massive for ICICI Bank, and the range is also within 50 points. When you check for open is 50, and then when you check for 50, you could clearly see the decay was positive despite falling, because it is month start, and as I told you, whenever month start happens, the OI is bit slow, so does the decay is also will have the modifications. So we won't see the change, we will just see the open interest first for Reliance. So this is Reliance, and the straddle point is at straddle and strangle point is around 1500, and here also see equal resistance is pretty more here. Okay, so you could see resistance is built very far away, and the straddle point and strangle point are around 80. Okay, for Reliance. Sorry, I'll take off the price action. Now we'll check the HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank open interest, and the straddle and strangle points are around 1000. And when you check for the Friday data, 90 has the straddle and strangle points. Okay, now we'll go back to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank, and then you could see the straddle and strangle point is around 1400. And when you check for Friday's data, so you could see here the straddle point has strangle point has around 40. Okay, so it's clearly in the overall as well as the change, there is a clear difference here.